In this video, we're going to be showing how to replace the Z motor pack. Start, of course, by removing the cover and the cut motor. Next, we are going to remove the guard on the circuit board here. Start by unplugging the motor itself, removing the one screw that holds the cover in place. Go ahead and pull that screw so it doesn't fall down and get lost. Sometimes that cover will actually be adhered to the FFC. If that's the case, then we need to just gently break the FFC loose. Go ahead and set that aside. Next, we are going to go ahead and remove these two screws. There's one right here, and there's one right over here. To access the far one, we're going to go through the hole in the back of the Z motor pack here. Loosen that screw all the way up. You don't have to take it out, it's captured there. Go ahead and remove the other one. This one we will go ahead and take all the way out, set aside. Now that motor is just being held in place by the tensioning bolt right here. So we're just going to go ahead and take a 5mm Allen wrench and just go ahead and remove that. At that point, it just slips the motor pack right out. To reinstall the motor pack, we're going to take the motor pack, we're going to slip it in and hook that belt on it. And we're going to do basically the same thing in reverse. We are going to take the tensioning screw and we are going to go ahead and tighten that up. And you just cinch it. This is just allowing that spring to put the tension on it, so you don't need to tighten hard on that. We'll then go back. Tighten it down, and you just want to, the spring's going to set your tension. You just want to make sure that the motor pack is straight this way, not cocked this way or this way. So just kind of eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just don't want it to be at an extreme. Tighten those screws up securely. You don't want to leave these loose. Then we're going to reinstall the FFC. Again, make sure that all of the fingers on the FFC are not bent or in any way damaged. We're simply going to install that straight in and just push it in to where it seats. Make sure that it is in straight. Again, we don't want this cocked this way or cocked down. Just go ahead and install it such that it ends in good, straight and secure. Go ahead and slip our guard back over. This is just holding the plastic guard in place. So you're just going to snug it up, don't over tighten it. And then we're just going to plug our motor pack back in. And please check to make sure the motion is nice and smooth. And the Z motor pack has been replaced.